So there are certain conditions when the first heart sound becomes louder. So when we go for exercise and if we have hypertension, then this sound become a bit louder. So there are some conditions also where this first heart sound diminished. So it occurred in obesity. Sometimes in obese people we cannot identify the first heart sound. In pericardial effusion, emphysema. So these are some conditions where the first heart sound. So in the causes of second heart sound, again there are vascular and muscular and valvular cause. So vascular